Hi, I'm Brian Bach. I'm an IICRC certified master textile cleaner with over 25 years experience in cleaning commercial facilities from a restorative deep cleaning process standpoint. And one thing that I'm seeing during this COVID cleanup operation that is happening right now is the chemical load that has been happening, and causes me a little bit of concern for people in the indoor environments that may have chemical sensitivities. All the stuff we're spraying here has to wind up somewhere, right? So where's it going? It's going down onto the floors, the carpets that are around the cubicle panels, the chairs that people are sitting in, and we're loading these things up with sanitizing agents at this point, which may be necessary. I'm not saying don't do that. But I am concerned that people with sensitivities, as we come back to work, we have created another issue. So it's a good time for deep cleaning of carpets, upholstery, panels, those type of things, maybe the tile and grout as well. And another thing about all the sanitizers, depending on what you're using, sometimes they have an effect on the stain-resistant coatings of different fabrics, and they can negate fluorochemical treatments that were on there to repel oils and dry soils. So we may negate the ability of the textiles to defend themselves from those type of soils, and then leaving stuff behind that could be chemically problematic to certain people. So both of those angles, if the stain-resistant coating is gone, we're going to have some resoiling issues as well in all this. So coming out of the winter, it's probably a good time to do it anyway, and probably needed to be done long ago, and let's face it. And we are equipped to do those with these huge truck mounts that are designed for this purpose and keep that heat up there, which is also a good thing in all this as well. So we get high temperature water and detergent on the front end on there, which can help in a lot of cases as well. So let us know. Let's start the bid process now. Get that approved, and get in there, get people back to work and clean and healthy indoor environments. Thank you so much.